Just imagine a plate of roasted chicken over a smooth, silky, saucy gravy.
Yeah, today we're making chicken franchise in our own version.
Let's get into the ingredients straight on. To make chicken franchise, you'll need chicken boneless breast, some shredded cheese, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, some cilantro, quarter cup of wheat flour, half cup of pomegranate juice.
You'll also need 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 cloves of shredded garlic, some chili flakes, 1 egg, some lemon juice, and some olive oil.
You'll also need some salt and pepper. Make sure to cut the breast into like butterfly. Let's start drizzling some pepper and salt that's needed for the chicken breast. Make sure to marinate on both sides. Coat the chicken very well with salt and pepper and keep it aside.
Now into our cracked egg, I'm gonna add our cheese, some salt and pepper that is required for the egg, and some cilantro. Now give it a good mix.
In another plate, I'm going to take some wheat flour, some pepper and salt to it. Now take the chicken, dust the flour over on both sides. We always prefer to use wheat flour over all-purpose flour, but it's your choice. And then coat it with the egg mixture. So it's been well coated now. Let's transfer it into a plate. Take a skillet, add some oil and some butter. Just swirl it around.
And then add in the meat.
Make sure to cook it on a medium flame. It tastes great only with chicken breast. Do not fry it over tight side or something. The meat should be thin. Make sure to keep it on a medium flame. Cheese is optional. You can very well avoid the cheese if you don't like the flavor of it. Now flip it to the other side. Look how roasted it is, isn't it, Purna?
Yeah, it looks super crisp.
And once you pour and drizzle the sauce over it, it just is amazing. Now it's cooked on both sides. Let's transfer it into a serving plate and start getting ready with the sauce.
Now we can deglaze our pan by adding in some pomegranate juice.
We are preparing pomegranate juice. It's non-alcoholic. Generally white wine is added to it. If you prefer to add white wine, you can definitely go ahead and add it. But this tastes awesome too. So we are adding some shredded garlic, some chili flakes, some chicken stock, apple cider vinegar. If you are adding white wine, avoid apple cider vinegar and give it a good mix. Cook it until it reduces into half. To the butter, I have mixed some wheat flour and then I'm dropping it into this. Once you add the wheat flour, the sauce starts to get thickened. We have forgot to add some salt to the sauce. You have to add it while you add the garlic cloves itself. Now notice that sauce is getting thickened.
Yeah.
Make sure there is no lumps of the flour.
And now finally we can add add some cilantro.
To get parsley, you can add parsley or chives, whichever herbs you prefer to. Now the sauce is ready, let's switch off the flame. Look at the beautiful sauce that's going to go over the chicken. Drizzle in the beautiful sauce over the chicken. Yummy roasted chicken with the beautiful sauce is ready. Are you ready to taste it?
I want it.
You're coming first.
Can I have a bite? It's
Yeah.
really good.
It's really good.
Yeah. This is fancy.
Try making at your home. Enjoy.
Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.